This business case study on disruption at the Ford Motor Company is aimed at helping readers think about innovation, to examine how an established industry can be transformed, to consider the global aspects of this industry transformation, to make strategic choices about where to invest, and to imagine the future of transportation. In spring of 2016, the Ford Motor Company's CEO Mark Fields and his senior management team had to figure out how to respond to new developments in the auto industry, like electronic vehicles, autonomous vehicles, and ride-sharing services. Fields' solution was Ford Smart Mobility. The new initiative sought to make Ford's culture more innovative, building bridges to Silicon Valley, applying disruptive practices to the organization, and focusing on capabilities in the newer areas of connectivity, mobility, data, and autonomous cars. Ford also sought an alliance with Waymo, the autonomous car unit of Google's parent company Alphabet. Unfortunately, the deal became undone after reported culture clashes between the two companies, with Fields embracing Wall Street enthusiasm for the deal and Google preferring a quiet technical partnership. This caused the board to believe Fields was incapable of creating alliances with other companies to embrace the global industry trend towards lighter, smaller, and cheaper cars in a driverless and ride-sharing future. By May 2017, Fields' 3-year tenure ended when Ford faced a 37% drop in stock price. Ford's board of directors enlisted former Ford Smart Mobility chairman Jim Hackett as his successor. 100 days after taking over, Hackett unveiled his new strategy revolving around the statement, "Smart vehicles in a smart world." His strategy held 5 key principles. Ford will prepare for disruption by becoming fit. Ford will be in the vehicle business, moving both people and goods. Ford vehicles will be smart and connected. Smart vehicles will thrive in a new transportation operating system. And Ford will evolve to capitalize on new business opportunities within this operating system. Hackett's tech junkie mindset shared Steve Jobs' penchant for simplicity and an executive focus on return on capital invested. He targeted a $10 billion reduction in material costs and a $4 billion reduction in product engineering costs over 5 years to make financial room for electric vehicles, new digital capabilities, and other mobility-based businesses. Hackett envisions a smart world where cars integrate AI and constant communication. They also announced a partnership with Lyft for driverless ride-sharing by 2021. Hackett felt that Ford had a key advantage in the still experimental smart mobility world in its over a century of auto manufacturing experience and a traditional bond with American consumers. However, the ever-evolving auto landscape saw much competition through 2017. Tesla's all-electric Model 3 threatened to take share value from Ford. New electric and smart investments were announced by Daimler-Benz, BMW, General Motors, Nissan, and Hyundai. Amidst this global landscape, Ford linked with Indian manufacturer Mahindra and Chinese manufacturer Zati for electric vehicle production. As of today, Hackett's strategy is still pending successful results in this still unproven autonomous electric vehicle market. But in the market's widely high hopes and expectations, Ford and Hackett look to have both feet firmly planted in the future.